Akdal. Umorma ng 3. Pinasa. Malakas. Nakuha ni Chaps. Isa. Laban sa 3. Chaps Lugo. Unang-una sa karera para ilagay ang kalamangan sa siyam. Nag-VIP the ball. Abisilia pulls up. Basket is good para kay Jumper. Hindi na lang ang rin. Ito na yan. Ang Metro VIP. Tatlo ang tumatakbo. Abisilia grabs it up. Tukyang Pao. Forward basket. Number 3 Evan. Here comes Metro VIP once again running with one enemy on the side. Pero nahulihan! Pulls up. No good. Rebound makukuha. RD Foundation running. Talastas. 5 kalaban. Inahat. Pasok yan. Hinahapit na. Ang bilis ng mga kamay ng snatcher ng QC. 40-24. Talastas. With 12 on the shot clock. Oligino. Libre. Wala. Riba. Mawal Machas. Para kay Sarmiento. Puka. Abisilia with 12 on the shot clock. Passes to Sardi. To Zar. For a 3-pointer. Bang! Pass ito. Baseline right. Nawala ang bola. Makukuha ulit ng Metro VIP. Sardi decides to pull the trigger. Bang! With 4 minutes, 42 seconds remaining. Lugo to Baswats for a 3. Bang! Rado, Machas inside. Nagkakatapingan na huli. Nakuha ni Kiambao. Running the field like a horse. Drops it up to Abisilia. Basket is good. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Metro VIP will have the ball. Will once again. Basket is good. Para sa Metro VIP. Nico underneath. Basket is good. Para kay Nico. Up. Second right na good rebound. Hard the ball. Maagawan ng bola. Libre sa ilalim. Talastas. Basket is good para kay Talastas. 15 seconds. Sardi pull up. Basket is good para kay Sardi Rivera. Basket to Talastas. Pinasa sa ilalim. Abalono. Underneath the basket. Down with the miss. Here comes RD Foundation once again. Lugo. Puts it up. Basket is good. 2 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Team Talastas. Another inside pass. But Nico overcooked. Ends up with the ball anyway. This time making it. Basket is good para kay Nico Apolonio. Lead is back to 9. 56-47. Sardi. To Kiambao. Back to Sardi for a 3. With a 5-point lead. 56-51. This is the fourth quarter. Semi-finals game. Akdal. Open is up. Para sa 2 points. Cross-court pass anticipated by Abisilia. Abisilia side steps. Push it up. Basket is good. Lead the ball. Rebound na ulit. And here comes Machas on the other end. Libre. Bakit tatlo ang kala. 2 versus 2. Drops it up to Miko. Bomba. Wala. Rebound. Metro VIP now sets the play once again. Sardi drops it up to Abisilia. To Sardi. Tapigan na huli naman ng RD Foundation. Here comes Chaps Lugo. Libre. 58-60. Puts it up. It's a miss. Rebound makukuha ng RD Foundation. Talastas to Di Maligo. Olguino. To Boswatch. Ang ganda ng pasa sa gitna. May kasama down foul. Shots Lugo. Delivers the layup. Another three. He's now too short. Rebound makukuha ng Adi Foundation. 4 minutes, 50 seconds remaining. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. Ang ganda ng pasa. Kailalim. Shots Lugo. Tumachas. Tight ball game. 67-58 with 4 minutes, 16 seconds remaining. AJ with a chance to pass. To press. Wala. Rebound. Tapikan. Makukuha ng Adi Foundation. Lugo. Lugo will start the play. Para kay Talastas with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Huli ang pasa ilalim pero napunta kay Olguino. Tulugo. Sa ilalim. Lugo. Rebound. Olguino. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Olguino. 16 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Chops Lugo. Chops Lugo. Drive right. Leg it up. Show you MVP of RDF League. Once again, putting the lead out to double digits. 71-61. Star looks to turn it down. And he does. 71 seconds to work with. 8 seconds. 6 seconds. Nakuha ng Metro BFP. Kaya nagmamalali sila with 3-on-2 situation. Kiambao breaks the pass. With 15 seconds on the shot clock. Jojo to AJ. Go another dribble. Syria. 15 seconds. Kiambao traps it up to Evan. Push it up anyway. No good. Rebound. Nakukuha na Lugo. Lugo once again. 1v2. Pinasa na yung Apolonio for a left to layup. 23 back to 6. 72-67. What a ball game. And now, Metro VIP with the ball. 50 seconds. 53 seconds remaining. Star. 45 seconds. Talastas with the ball. Tumachas. To Di Malimot. To Apolonio. Ball shot. Pass is good. Ball ay Nico. Apolonio. 14 second shot clock. Ang i-avail ng Metro VIP. Now, Star. For an easy basket. Quick 2 para kay Star. To bring the lead down the floor. And now they will foul. Intentionally. Numbers with 29.9 seconds remaining sa ating regulation. Chops. Every pass. Basket plus a foul. 6-point lead. Talastas with a chance to make it 7 with 28.2 seconds remaining. Talastas makes it 28.2. Oh no! Another great goal para sa Metro VIP. 24 seconds. 12 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Stolen. Ito na ngayon ang Metro VIP. Nagmamadali. Aktal. Brings down the lead. 73-78, 5-point lead. 7.9 seconds. Apolonio. To Di Malimot, 5 seconds. 3 seconds. And that will be Adi Foundation going down to a win. What a game. What a treat. Para sa lahat ng fans ng Adi Foundation.
Brought to you by
Hydraulics Pulse, circuits burn.